Next topic in checkpoint maths is factorization. There are different types of factorizations are there. Now we are doing the simple factorization. Four x minus 6 is an algebraic expression. We have to factorize it. We know the factors of 4 and 6, and the variable here it is x. So first you have to factorize the numbers 4 and 6. We must take the highest common factor, HCF of 4 and 6. 4 and 6 highest common factor here it is 2. In table 2 both the numbers are there. So take the 2 out of the bracket and we have to divide with the 2 inside. It means 4x divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. So 2 bracket 2x minus 3. So if you open the bracket, we will get back the question that is 4x minus 6. So this is the way we can do the simple factorization. 18 minus 12p. The numbers here it is 18 and 12. The highest common factor is of 18 and 12 is 6. In table 6 both the numbers are there, so we can take the 6 outside the bracket and divided 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by how many times 6 in 18, that is 3, and how many times 6 in 12, it is 2p. P also a variable there, so we must write it 2. If you open the bracket we will get back 18 minus 12p. 14a minus 21b. 14 and 21, the letters are a and b, that is not common, but 14 and 21 highest common factor is 7. So 7 out of the bracket and we have to divide 14 by 7, it is 2, and a is a variable there. 21 divided by 7, it is 3, and the b is there. So answer is 7 bracket 2a minus 3b. If there is letters are there, we must take the letter also. M cube minus m square n plus mn square. No numbers are there here in each term, that is, so it is 1 is a common factor, and the letter m3 times, m2 times, and here m only 1, and there is no n here, and here there is n, but the first term there is no n, so n is not a common factor. M you can take as a common factor. How many times m? There is 3, this is 2, and this is 1. So only one time m we can take outside the bracket and divided m raised to 3 divided by m minus m square divided by m plus mn square divided by m. So m bracket m raised to 3 divided by m means m raised to 1. So we know the letters if dividing we have to minus the power. 3 minus 1 it is 2, minus here it is only 1m plus n square, because both the m only one time, 1 minus 1 0, so it's cancelled. So m bracket m square minus m plus n square, that is the answer of this question. Next, if I write 4r cube minus 6r cube r square plus 8r square s. Here number and letter both are common factors are there. The number is 4, 6 and 8. 4, 6 and 8 common factor it is 2, and r cube, r square and r only. Here no r square is okay, but how many times r we can take? 2 times only, because there is r square here, r square, this r cube, but r square only we can take, maximum we can take r square. So 2r square is the common factor. We have to divide by inside the term 4r cube by 2r square. 4 divided by 2 2, r cube divided by r square it is r. 6 divided by 2 3, r square cancelled. 8 divided by 2 4, r square cancelled, and s is there. So number and letter we can divide it and we can take the common factor outside and we can do it. the factorization. The next factorization is by the grouping. By grouping of factorization, ax plus bx plus ay plus by. There are 4 terms are there. All 4 terms there is no common factor, but by grouping we can do first 2 we can take x as a common factor, last 2 we can take y as a common factor. So we take the x outside the bracket, we have to divide ax by x is a only, bx by x it is b, plus here common factor it is y, again we are dividing, we are getting a plus b. It means a plus b again as a common factor we take only once out of the bracket, and what is left out of the bracket we write inside in the bracket. There is no sign in between, and if you open the bracket we will get the same as the question. (4m plus mx plus 4n plus nx). Here these two, and here we can take here. This is m as a common factor and here n as a common factor. If we take m out of the bracket, 4 plus x, and here n as common factor outside, 4 plus x. Like the first question here, 4 plus x is the common factor, again write in the bracket, and what is outside, m plus n in another bracket. So this is the answer. For grouping of factorization we can do this. PR minus PS plus QR minus QS. The same way here we can take P out of the bracket plus here Q out of the bracket. So R minus S, P plus Q. P and Q out of the bracket we write, and what is the sign between that should be there. XY plus 4y plus x square plus 4x. We must take y here, and here we can take x plus 4, and if we take x plus 4. So x plus 4 inside the bracket, y plus x again in another bracket. So there are 2 types of factorization I explained. One is simple factorization, another one is grouping, factorization by grouping. I hope you understand. So we'll do the next topic in the next class. Thank you.